Hey, do you know which programming jobs are the most lucrative in 2024? Let's dive in. Machine learning engineers are in high demand as companies across industries harness the power of AI. In 2024, this role continues to be one of the top paying in tech, with salaries ranging from $120,000 to over $180,000 annually. These engineers develop algorithms that enable machines to learn from data, making decisions without human intervention. It's a field that's growing rapidly, especially in sectors like finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. Number 4. Blockchain developer. Blockchain technology is not just for cryptocurrencies anymore. It's being adopted in finance, supply chain, healthcare, and even government services. Blockchain developers are the architects behind this revolution, and in 2024, they're earning top dollar for their skills, anywhere from $130,000 to $200,000 per year. Their job involves creating and managing decentralized applications, or DApps, as well as smart contracts that run on blockchain technology. Number 3. DevOps engineer. Next up, we have DevOps engineers, the backbone of any agile software development team. They bridge the gap between development and operations, ensuring seamless delivery of applications. With cloud computing taking over the tech landscape, DevOps engineers are more valuable than ever, earning between $130,000 and $210,000 annually. Their expertise in automation, CI/CD pipelines, and cloud services makes them indispensable in today's fast-paced development environments. Number 2. Data scientist. Data is the new oil, and data scientists are the ones refining it. In 2024, companies are paying a premium for experts who can analyze and interpret complex data sets, with salaries ranging from $140,000 to $220,000 per year. Data scientists use a combination of statistics, machine learning, and domain expertise to uncover insights that drive business decisions. It's a role that's critical across industries, from tech to retail to healthcare. Number 1. Full-stack developer. Finally, taking the top spot is the full-stack developer. As the demand for versatile and skilled developers continues to rise, full-stack developers, who can handle both front-end and back-end development, are earning between $150,000 and $250,000 a year. They're the Swiss Army knife of the programming world, capable of building complete web applications from start to finish. In 2024, their ability to work across the entire stack makes them the highest-paid programmers,